Get ready with me for Quinn's first birthday party. I cannot believe that the day is finally here. My sister and I have been planning this party for literally months. I cannot wait to see everything just come to life, and I'm so excited to show you guys. My sister and I both had baby girls exactly 1 week apart from each other. So way back when we were pregnant, we always talked about combining their first birthday party together. It's so insane to me that we both had babies at the same time because neither of us were trying. The universe really could not have pulled through more for us because we're both really close. Really hoping that they end up to be besties just like us. I fully crashed out yesterday because all the dresses that I ordered didn't come in time. Luckily, my sister had a dress already through that brand that was kind of similar. I'm gonna borrow that one, but I'm still really sad about it. Also, I had my 3-month follow-up with my doctor the other day. I had to go and get new blood work done to compare to when I first started seeing him. And I can't even believe it, you guys, but almost everything, like all my hormones, have completely gone back to normal. And when I first started seeing him, my numbers were so bad, and I knew it. I felt horrible. I have been feeling so much better the past couple weeks. I just feel revived and like I have energy again. Overall, just feeling like myself again, finally. Just really excited about it, and I feel like things are just going to continue to get better. Anyway, as always, I'm running a little bit late, so I need to go. All right, you guys, here is the final look. Stay tuned for all the party content, and I love you.